Hey y'all, this is Marie, Random Okie Farms. We are back from the auction and I'm gonna go around and check on the animals and take y'all with me. So I hope you guys enjoy and come along. Hey Itsy Bitsy. Hey girlfriend. How are you? Hey y'all. How are you, beautiful? Oh, I'm sorry, handsome. Handsome. No, beautiful. Sometimes I get them confused. Ever since this hen right here got a white spot on her nose, I get her confused with the male. If you let me scratch you. Hey, Ham. How are you, handsome? You're such a good piggy. Here is, I think these are called devil's claw. I'll have to check. They're pretty, but they get these neat seed pods and these will split. Very cool. All right, let's go. Let's go check the rest of the game. Butter! Oh, standing in fire ants, figures. Hey, Butter. You beautiful. Are you the most beautiful cow? I think so. We found you a new man. He's real handsome. He's in quarantine right now. And when he gets out, you will get to meet him. Oh, got itch. Hey, Snickers. Hey, y'all. How are you? I missed you. Oop, I don't have my Crocs in four-wheel drive, girlfriend. You're so sweet, Snickers. Dolly says, give me attention too. I love it when you've been gone. They can tell. They're like, come give me attention. Tell me how wonderful I am. Huh? Are you the sweetest donkeys? Yes, you are. Huh. You ladies are going to love your new beautiful man. Or if you don't, we'll try again. Hey, sweetheart. She says, give me attention. Aw. Hey, Brandon. How are you and your beautiful ladies? DJ's donkeys are so pretty. I love this one, the type of gray in the back. She is so pretty. I can't tell them apart now that they've shed it out. Hey, Belle. Hey, girl. Are you here with all your friends? You are? She loves the miniature horses. Hey, beautiful. I mean, look at this donkey. Look at how pretty the dark color is. Belle, I'm trying to show them how pretty these donkeys are. Oh, girl, your breath is rough. Whew. Hey, handsome. me some attention. Are you Jelly Bell? She says, pet me, pet me, pet me, huh? All right. Let's go check the ponies. We have one pony. This is my favorite part of checking on the animals. Right here. Hey girls. How are you? You look beautiful. Belle. Hey handsome. Studley, you are so handsome. Your ladies are looking wonderful. And your babies. Hey Dot. Cutie pie, chocolate, strawberry, ponette. Hey girlfriend. How are you? Hey cutie pie. Are you the sweetest girl? Hey sweetheart. How's your baby? How are you, Spike? Oh, we need to fly spray before we go. Go get some fly spray. Hey, Strawberry. Hey, Ponette. How are you? Hello, little ones. Hey, Chocolate. Hey, Strawberry. I don't know if I'm getting her or not, but she's getting to the curious stage. They're so much fun. And Chocolate's baby is getting to the curious stage. So much fun. Oh, sweetheart. Hey, Chocolate. Hey, Strawberry. Studley. And this little one, we're going to look at all y'all's names today, suggestions, and we're going to pick one for her. So that will be in the end of this video. Chocolate. Chocolate's little filly is so sweet. And I managed to put my knee in a bunch of nettles. Hey, cutie pie. So one thing is coming out and visiting with all the minis every day is not everybody comes to say hi every single day. Some of them do, some of them don't. But whenever I'm gone and then come out, they all want to come at once. So it's fun getting to visit and see them, and you know they missed you. Want their attention. Aw, Studley. You're the best. You're the best, most handsomest man. I hope you guys enjoy checking on all the critters with us. Huh, Roni Pony? You're so beautiful. You are so gorgeous. Huh? Hey, sweetheart. How are you? So this is who I picked out from the exotic auction that we just got back from. We got 2 animals. This is one. I'm going to show you the other one. It's a new man for the ladies in the back, the Zebus. He's real handsome. But this little Appy mare, I have never seen this color in person. And she was beautiful. She's also heavy bred, and she's in quarantine right now. We're going to get her vaccinated and wormed and all fixed up. We're excited to add her to our herd. She's really beautiful. I've never seen this color before in person. Are you helping, Jack? Are you helping? You're so tough, baby Jack. Huh? Are you helping? Said no, I just want to play with it. Get it, Jack, get it, get it. All right, well, you little ones need to get out of here. You're making your mama stressed. Come on. Gotta go the other way. Out of the drain. I'm getting them out, Mama. I'm getting them out. You're gonna have to come with them if you want them out. Y'all keep going. Snoopy, are you helping? Y'all keep going. Boop, boop, boop. Go to Mama. Oh, you're such a good mama. You good helpers. Are you good helpers? Good job, Bambi. Oh, I know. Better go get your other baby.
So we have Brandon's llama just cooling off in the water. Are you cooling off? Is that not funny?
Yeah. Oh, look at the flag. I didn't even notice that.
Oh, wow. They do have an American flag up there. It's probably their internet pole. That's cool. Okay. Now show me the turtles. I didn't even see the turtles yesterday, Bubba. Oh, wow.
I told you Leighton was raising turtles.
Maybe we gotta be quiet and they'll come back up. Oh, there was one. That was a big one in there. Okay, we'll come back and check on them. They're just a little bit lonely. Oh, they said play with me, Lennon.
What do you mean it's a little?
Their puppy food is in that wooden thing right there. Yeah. I hear Mama and Daddy.
How do I feed them?
Here's the scoop. Here. And put it in that bowl, please.
I should have warned me about the puppies and I would have worn pants.
I'm sorry. I forgot about the puppies.
Okay, so which one? The bowl?
Uh-huh. They know what time it is. 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 puppies.
Yep. How much?
Probably 3 of those scoops.
This?
Yep. I don't know if you guys could tell, but this is a guinea and a duck sharing a nest. Look at how close I get. Oh, there's Paula. There's 2 guineas and 1 duck on this nest. There's 3. Ooh! They're all sharing the nest. This is crazy. There's 4. The guinea was sitting on top of a chicken. So we have 2 guineas, 1 chicken, and 1 duck. All trying to hatch out these eggs. I wonder how many is in here. There is so many, Lennon. There was 4 birds in here, Bubba. Here, hold her. Oh. You guys are so funny. Is Carrot Cake in a bath? Yeah. Oh, Carrot Cake. You're so handsome, Carrot Cake.
He's living rent-free.
You said he's living rent-free? Yeah. He sure does. He has the best life. Hey, Jack Jack. Are you hanging out with Candy Cane? You found your way back over and rolled in some mud? Are you taking care of Candy Cane? No. No, Jack Jack and Candy Cane sitting in the tree.
He's like, did you bring graham crackers?
He's happy. Look at him.
You happy too, Candy Cane?
Oh my goodness. Look at these little babies. You 3 are so precious. Aww. You getting lovin's?
Yeah.
Aww. Hey, Badger. Says, I am snacking.
Hey guys, welcome back to Random Okie Farms. William, Marie here. We got Bryson coming along with us.
Say hi.
Hi.
And if you can't tell, we're not at our farm. So we are down the road at Brandon and Stephanie's farm. They're going on vacation and we're doing our part as neighbors and friends to come down and keep an eye on their animals, kind of feeding, watering, making sure they're all here because we don't want nobody going missing on our watch.
On our watch, yeah.
So coming down, checking on a couple times a day, feeding, and just doing our part as a neighbor, I guess, as a friend.
Yeah. Oh, and
fellow farmer.
And I enjoy getting to sweet talk all the animals and tell them how wonderful they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun. Oh, and the puppies. Oh, getting to love on all those livestock guardian dogs is awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, you're awesome, even though you're rotten.
So y'all come along.
Hey, girl. Oh, hey, Badger. You are the sweetest little llama. I love how you're able to start seeing his Appaloosa spots. And this pack llama, it's so neat to see how she's built. Like, this is a regular llama. The difference. Like, you can see how thin this one is compared to how thick this one is. And, hey, crybaby. What are you doing, little one? Hello. These are the cutest baby goats. I love this goat right here with the blue eyes and the wattles. They are adorable. Will you grab the door, babe? Aw. All right, let's grab that out and shake it out. And then let's get these waters and get them cleaned up. Oh, look at these two going. They are adorable.
They're looking for feed.
Yeah. No, ladies. No. Will you go turn on the water for me right quick, please?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Oh, look at that goat. So cute.
So we got over here where the animals are, where the chickens, puppies, all that stuff are. And we're trying to get stuff done, but Marie and Bryson are getting sidetracked. I've went through and fed the chickens and all that. And they're over here, got Bryson loving on all the puppies. So I'm sure they're enjoying that. He's already fed them, checked their water and everything. And you got Marie over here loving on ponies.
They're so cute.
So you got Cowboy back behind her.
Oh, he is
just checking her out.
Cowboy.
He is a pretty cool rooster.
He is. He's really neat.
I like when he does that little dance right next to you. That's pretty cool. He don't do it like he does it for Brandon, but
yeah,
he still does it just enough to show he can. So we're getting everything checked out. Make sure all the chickens got feed and water. Make sure all the llamas or goats and ponies and all that's got water. Puppies, of course. I think Bryson's loving that, but
yeah.
he seems to be really enjoying the puppies.
Yeah.
So I think we've kind of lost him into helping. So we're getting them all checked. Make sure everything's safer.
These are the cutest baby goats.
It's crazy how we come to another farm and you act like we don't got goats.
But they are real cute. I mean, look at the tricolor with the wattles and the blue eyes. And triplets.
Well, you see all that. I see another goat. Okay? But
I mean, this is the finest rooster.
he is a cool rooster. I'll give him that.
Oh, he's a handsome man. He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Yes, he is.
You can tell he's excited to see you, but he also knows you're not Brandon.
Yeah, I'm not.
Or Kason.
Yeah.
You're not his person, but he'll take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny to me.
He's so sweet.
Never seen a rooster that likes cuddles.
He does. He is the coolest chicken, so we make sure he is put up every night.
Right.
Hey, sweetheart.
Of course, we're checking on the dogs too.
Yep. All the livestock
Every-
guardian dogs being loving and checked on.
Right. Every night when I come over here, I don't know his name, but the male dog has been right over there, just laying there every night, just watching over everything, it seems like. The goats will mostly be right here in this area. And then, of course, you got the chickens. They'll be up on the roof, on top of the buildings and stuff. But we make sure Cowboy's put away.
Yeah.
We're not letting nothing happen to Cowboy when we're watching him.
Yeah.
That is for sure.
He is one of the coolest chickens, if not the coolest chicken.
So, well, we're going to get our chores done, get everything checked out, make sure it's good. I think we're supposed to turn on the water for the garden.
Yep.
And then later tonight, I'll come back and turn it off, and we should have Brandon squared away.
Yep.